Welcome to the Forklift Simulator, a virtual reality training experience built to feel real. Step inside the forklift, grab the steering wheel with your hands, and drive like you are actually there. Our mission is simple: make forklift training safer, repeatable, and engaging. In VR world, users can practice maneuvering, handling pallets, and learning operational routines without the real-world risk. So, now let's move on to the gameplay.
We begin in the menu scene. Here the user can choose to enter a guided tutorial or jump straight into the free play mode. By selecting the tutorial with the control trigger, the user is transported directly into the driver's seat. To ensure a smooth start, an audio guide leads the player to the initial setup. As you can see, we are using VR hand tracking visuals give the user some sense of presence, ensuring that every lever pull and steering adjustment feels grounded in the virtual space. For the simulator, we made a conscious design choice to avoid 2D floating menus or HUDs to maximize immersion. Instead, we use diegetic visual clues. Objects like the ignition key glow yellow to attract attention, followed by the handbrake, steering wheel, and control levers as the instruction progresses. Once the player masters the controls, the test is tasked with navigating a course marked by cones. The objective is to approach a specific shelf where a target box is highlighted. The simulator also encourages spatial awareness by requiring the player to utilize the functional rear view mirrors to align the vehicle with the parking zone. We added this technology in our application using 2 new cameras in units. And here, the physics-based interaction comes into play. The player must carefully position the forks, lift the pallet, and crucially, tilt the mast back to secure the load. As already said, when you are with the forklift lifting the pallet, you need to make this tilt. So we implemented a locking mechanic that requires you to tilt the mast backward. This simulates the real-world safety practice of stabilizing a load before driving, which is very important. Upon successfully delivering the cargo to the drop-off zone, the tutorial concludes, and the user transitions seamlessly into the play mode. True to its name, this mode opens up a warehouse, allowing the user to practice their skills and complete various tasks at their own pace. And finally, in the free play, you can play the way you want, testing even other things our application can provide you.
Very good. Now meet your dev team. Contact us if you wish, and thank you for watching.